Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Deidran. Award-winning marketing agency Esirom taps into the Jamaican film industry with their debut film Sweet Yellow Heart. The film, shot in porous Manchester, tells the story of a Jamaican family matriarch, Miss Edna, finding a way to reconnect with her grandson after revealing a devastating family secret. The film has a life-giving breadfruit tree as a central symbol and connects the family through generations. The executive producer Alex Morrissey shared with E-Prime details on the project.
The Sweet Yellow Heart project started back in late 2019, December to be exact. So we can call it the start of January 2020. And that's when we kind of had the idea that we wanted to do a film. The film will be about 20 minutes when it's completed. And we really wanted to step into the film industry in Jamaica. You can't really do that without having some kind of portfolio piece.
Sweet Yellow Heart was written and directed by Daniel Russell and is based on a short story by Michael Morrissey.
My experience as a writer and director of Sweet Yellow Heart was very exciting. It was very interesting all the way from the beginning when I was doing research on the breadfruit tree and reading the short stories that Michael Morrissey had put together on the history of the breadfruit tree. Things about Jamaican culture, for example, the navel string tree, the whole idea behind the navel string tree, things like that. Writing the script, putting a team together. It was a learning process. It was very exciting.
Russell was recently given the opportunity by Esirom to further her goals through a Summer Fellowship in 2019.
In 2019, I was a recipient of the Summer Fellowship in Bali. While there, I was mentored by Michael Morrissey, and I stayed there for 2 months. And during that time, my focus was on screenwriting, writing a feature-length screenplay, which I'm still working on, and as well as showcasing some films from Jamaica at the Ubud Writers and Readers Festival.
Sweet Yellow Heart is set to be released in March this year. Now onto the international scene, where the 63rd Grammy Awards ceremony has been postponed due to concerns about the spread of COVID-19. In a joint statement released on Tuesday by the Recording Academy, the decision to postpone was reached after a thoughtful conversation with health experts. The host and, of course, artists scheduled to appear on the award show that was previously slated for January 31. The statement also disclosed that the deteriorating COVID situation in Los Angeles, with hospital services being overwhelmed, ICUs having reached capacity, and new guidance from state and local governments, led them to conclude that postponing the show was the right thing to do. Now, the Grammy Awards is now scheduled for March 14 at the Staples Center in Los Angeles. That's it for E-Prime this evening. I am Deidran. Thank you for watching.